Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. A cube has sides measuring 5 centimeters. Find the distance of AD to 1 decimal place. And we've been given a diagram of a cube with corners labelled A to H. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We've been asked to find the length marked AD. Answering this question is a 2-step process. First, we need to find the length AC using the right-angled triangle ABC, where the lengths of AB and BC are given to us. Then we can find AD using the right-angled triangle ACD. There are 2 common methods for finding the missing length of one side of a right-angled triangle. Those methods are Pythagoras Theorem and trigonometry. For this question, Pythagoras Theorem is the most appropriate method to use, given that we know 2 sides of each right-angled triangle, and we need to calculate the third. In both cases, the side we are calculating the length of is the hypotenuse. Pythagoras' theorem states that for a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. Mathematically, we express that as a squared plus b squared equal to h squared, where the 2 short sides are a and b, and the hypotenuse, which is the longest side opposite the right angle, is h. To begin, we need to draw a diagram of triangle ABC. With sides AB and BC of length 5 centimeters. The hypotenuse AC, the side we need to find, I am going to mark with the letter X. Applying Pythagoras' theorem, x squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared, which is 5 squared plus 5 squared. 5 squared is equal to 25. So x squared is now equal to 25 plus 25, which is equal to 50. Taking the square root of both sides of the equation gives us x, leaving the answer as a third equal to the square root of 50. Next, we need to draw a diagram of triangle ACD. AC is the side that we have just found, which is the square root of 50. And CD is 5 centimeters long. The hypotenuse AD, the side we need to find, I am going to mark with the letter Y. Applying Pythagoras' theorem, y squared is equal to AC squared plus CD squared, which is the square root of 50 squared plus 5 squared. 5 squared is equal to 25, and the square root of 50 squared is equal to 50. So y squared is equal to 25 plus 50, which is equal to 75. Taking the square root of both sides of the equation gives us y equal to the square root of 75, which gives us a value of y equal to 8.7 rounded to 1 decimal place. So the length of AD and the answer to this question is 8.7 rounded to 1 decimal place. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.